today I'm making a octagon shaped decoration for my girls' room, just for fun. Now, I didn't do any measurements. This is just the size that I wanted, and I just cut out a shape shaped like an octagon. Now we have the extra pieces of the cardboard box, and I'm going to glue each one of them together one by one, and this is going to make about 5 of them because we're going to double them up. And here I have all 8 sides lined up to where I want them, and then I'm going to tape them together. And this is how I tape them together, and then we're going to tape them up like this all the way around. Please don't mind me rushing through. I did this based off for video purpose only, and it's okay if it's not perfect, because we're gonna also tape the bottom like this, and you're gonna glue the sides together on your piece of paper. And then cut all by the corners. Glue everything down, and once you've done that, it should look something like this. Trace and cut out another octagon shape like this. Okay, check and make sure that it fits. Then if it fits perfectly fine for you, then you can just glue it together to the other piece. And now you can just figure out how you want them to be placed together. You know, the more you make, the more possibilities.